this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust. This vehicle does come equipped with the cold weather package, which is perfect for those cold winter days. Got a backup camera, roof spoiler. We do get some chrome and black accents along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for, once again, those cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side to open. Plenty of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got hooks and doodads, hold your gear down. 12 volt. We do get some storage underneath with a spare tire, which is all pretty handy. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, and storage. We got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 73,983 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, Trip and Feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, and auto stop and start, cup holders, storage here with some outlets. You even get a little 12 volt down there. Got your center console, tons of storage, dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You got storage in the dash, and media controls with your hazards. We got our audio, compass, phone. Oh my gosh! For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Your any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8104, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.